makeup artists, come here. You need to see this. Look. Isn't that amazing? Question, have you mastered one PMU technique and now you're ready to add more services to your menu? There's so many techniques: lips, brows, scalp SMP, tiny tattoos, stretch mark camouflage. With so many options, it might be difficult to know which one you're gonna enjoy and wanna take on first, right? So this is one of the many reasons why attending a conference is so beneficial. Introducing the PMU Summit, a live conference happening this February 2023 in Los Angeles. You will learn about every single technique that you can learn about in one setting and go from there. You're also going to get so much more than just technique. We will be covering business, sales, marketing, mindset, and more. So, are you ready to increase your revenue by adding more techniques to serve your clients? I can't wait to see you at the PMU Summit happening February 2023 in Los Angeles. Just go to thepmusummit.com or click on the link below.